I got the ancient Jiangnan town, 1549 by Microworld. The pictures does not show too much, the front at least, of what it looks like. The back side does. I do not have the silver version to show you guys. That's fine. I like how this base is not a base and there's an extension of a boat to represent water. You got a little tunnel, and then the windows here, you can have them open up inwards or outwards or not open at all. I have mine all opened. Most of them are opened outwards. I really like this little boat. I think it just adds so much more when it's not like a clear-cut base. And then here's representation of the stream, the water, top view. More angles. Here's the back side. And let me see if I can get it to focus. Nope. Guess not. I can't get it to focus on the little boat. I want it to focus on the boat. Maybe if I... Oh, so close. Oh! There you go. That took forever. Everything else is kind of messed up. Oh well, I think it's a cool model. I would like to see the silver version compared. Honestly, I would like all of these models to be colored. Some angles. Angles. Angle. Turn, turn, turn. Turn, turn, turn. I really like this angle right here. I just wish you can see the boat through the tunnel because it's a cool picture. Maybe if I can stack those pictures. Angle. Ancient Jiangnan town.